So a while ago I was asked, does it make a difference when you're talking about soup peas compared to modern peas, especially when you're talking about the green shelling peas? And so with that, this year I'm growing a small patch of modern green shelling peas. And these are called Maestro, I think? Something like that. It's just a generic pea varietal that they had in the seed racks. And so I picked it up. And so with that, I'm trying to see here, it is really early to get going, much like a lot of our modern varietals are. It's all about shortening down those growing days and getting your crop in and out as quickly as possible. So here it is as a small little green pea. Yeah, just kind of neutral. Nothing really going on there. Actually, like, astoundingly flavorless. There's a really fun crunchiness to it in water, but other than that, yeah, there's not much. But here is one that is to a larger size, kind of more ready, full of plump, tasty peas ready to go. So much like the Carlin, the pod itself is really tough, and I can't really break it apart with my teeth. I can't bite into it. But when you shuck it open, nom nom nom. Look at this delightful array of peas that are just in there ready to go. So a little bit lumpy. You can definitely tell that there's more along the Crowder pea type. It's all about getting the most peas into your pod as possible, kind of increasing your pea flesh profile with this. So with that, you can either shuck these off into a bowl and cook them, or you can eat them fresh right out of the pod. So tasty. And with this too, you can start to see that it has that inner membrane that Gerard speaks of about making pea pods inedible. So really fun, really tasty. The key takeaway from growing the modern shelling peas is that they grow a lot faster. They come to crop a lot faster. And the young pods, they're obviously not bred for that. They're not tasty at all. And yeah, they're brilliant for their purpose, which is a green shelling pea. I'm going to take some of these to the dry stage just to cook and dry and see what it is, but they do, from what I could tell when I planted them, they are a green pea. They're not going to be the white pea or the brown peas of the medieval time period. So, modern varietals of shelling peas. Ta-da! So another pea varietal that I planted was just modern sugar peas. And who doesn't love a modern sugar pea, right? I mean, these were developed in the 1970s, very easily to document, when the rock star breeders of the world created these delightful creatures. Super sugary, super fun, snackable. I mean, Whew, really good. So even when the pea is fully formed and big and round, the shell itself is plump and full of juice and sugar content. And it is, I could sit here all day and just devour these things. Yeah, sugar peas. So much fun. So like most of our modern varietals, the flower is white. Trying to focus here. So here's our white little flower of our sugar pea. It is going to be much like the white flower that we see with our green shelling pea. So sugar peas. Hello, yes please. Sorry. I'm in pea heaven right now. Have I told you how much I love sugar peas? I adore them.